Mastering real estate marketing. Welcome to the world of real estate marketing. Let's dive into effective strategies to boost your sales. First, optimize your online presence. A user-friendly website is essential for attracting potential buyers. Next, leverage social media. Share listings, tips, and local insights to connect with your audience. Create compelling content that tells a story. Showcase properties through videos and virtual tours to engage buyers. Local SEO is crucial. Optimize your online listings to ensure they appear in local searches. Don't underestimate email marketing. Send regular newsletters with market updates and featured properties. Professional photography can make a huge difference. High-quality images attract more interest in listings. Host open houses to showcase properties. Engage visitors with refreshments and informative presentations. Utilize analytics to track your marketing efforts. Understand what works and adjust your strategies accordingly. Build relationships through community involvement. Attend local events to connect with potential clients directly. Showcase testimonials on your platforms. Positive reviews build trust and credibility with potential buyers. Consider virtual consultations. This allows you to connect with remote clients effectively and efficiently. Invest in video marketing. Property videos can provide a 360-degree view, enticing buyers to visit. Follow up strategically. Keep in touch with leads through thoughtful, personalized communication. Staging properties makes a significant impact. Help clients visualize their future in the home. Stay informed on market trends. Knowledge equips you to assist clients with the best decisions. Personal touches like thank you cards go a long way in building lasting relationships with clients. Invest in training for you and your team. Knowledge in marketing keeps your strategies fresh and innovative. Use branded merchandise at events. It keeps your name in the minds of potential clients. Mobile optimization is a must. Ensure your website and content look great on mobile devices. Network with other agents. Collaboration can lead to referrals and shared marketing insights. Participate in community events to enhance visibility. It's a great way to showcase your expertise. Invest in paid advertising. Targeted ads reach specific demographics to amplify your reach. Conduct personal tours to create a memorable experience. Highlight unique features of each listing. Diversify your marketing channels. Use a mix of digital, print, and word-of-mouth strategies. Explore new tools and software. They can simplify your marketing and improve customer engagement. Highlight lifestyle benefits. Showcase the community aspects to attract buyers looking for a vibrant life. Create checklists for both buyers and sellers. Simplified processes enhance client satisfaction. Celebrate client milestones. Closing day is just as important. Foster relationships for future referrals. Real estate marketing is key to thriving in this competitive market. Stay innovative and connect authentically.